How to remove camera app from home screen on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to remove the camera app from home screen, what you can simply do is, as you can see, I already have a camera application on my home screen. So in order to remove this application, just make a long press on the application over here, and here you can see the option of remove. So as a tap on remove, this will only remove the app from the home screen and not from your app. So you can just swipe up and go to your app list, and here you'll be able to see the option of camera. So this means that the app has not been uninstalled, or the app has not been deleted, rather it has just been removed from the home screen. So you can also keep it back by making a long press on the app and then dragging it to the home screen and placing it wherever you would feel comfortable to. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoy watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. See you next time.